Hi everyone, it's Crystal from Where to Next, and it's a Crystal solo video, my first solo video, so please don't turn away. And I am at Uranus. Now Steve did a video in Uranus in Richmond. This location is the first location in Indiana, but it's their #2 location overall. The original flagship store is in Missouri off of iconic Route 66. But I'm going to take you guys with me to the #2 location, Uranus and Anderson, Indiana. Let's see what they're all about. I'll show you the outside and inside and all the fun little tidbits about Uranus. So come with me as we go and explore the #2 location for Uranus. Here is their sign out front off of Route 69. Which they said they couldn't plan that any better on their website. And then you have a little astronaut guy here. Uh-oh, he's got a little alien on him. So it looks like this one is a little smaller than the one Steve visited in Richmond. They do have the store here. They have putt-putt and the fudge and the ice cream, of course. But the one Steve did a video on, which that one was really good and really funny. If you guys haven't seen that yet, it's a little bigger and it's the newest one. But we're going to show you their original location in Indiana. And this is about 30 minutes probably from Indianapolis. So as you're walking up, they have a funny song playing. It's saying the best fudge is from Uranus. And then over here, we've got Pet the Alien. Oh, there he is. I'm not sticking my hand in there. Now here they do have a little sitting area. And over here, you can pucker up in Uranus with Miss Tiffany. So they have a lot of photo ops here. You can have a lot of fun just taking pictures. Then over here we've got chocolate in the window and some aliens. Over here we've got 5 fun things to do in Uranus. Get your fudge packed. Pet the alien. We'll grab your nuts. Play in Uranus. Get a lick of Uranus in the rear. And look, the ice cream right there. Looks like a butt. Here's the hours of this location, 9 to 8 p.m. Another alien. And then there's Zoltar. You can get your fortune told if you so wish. And here we go. Pretty blue door. When you come in, you've got a little alien greeting you. July makes me want to get my fudge packed real bad. Then you've got this space poster that says off the probe Uranus. The secret ingredient is always chocolate. Right? And there's the aliens saying welcome to Uranus. So just walked in and they said welcome to Uranus. And you've got some merchandise over here. And here's some of the treats already. And some candies on this wall. And then here's our little buddy. Another space poster. Uranus, the final frontier. A dinosaur egg. And then some pre-packed Uranus fudge. The same color as the door. And some more stuff over here. And oh my lord, look at this giant popcorn. If you need popcorn for a party, come here. That bag is huge. And then lots of smaller bags for you if you don't want to get all crazy with your popcorn. And then they have always little commercials playing up there. And some chocolate in different forms. You've got a white chocolate dinosaur and a tennis racket. And some soccer and soccer shoes. Gummies on this wall, and then a ton of bugs. They got crickets, scorpions, ant wafers. Real worm suckers. I'm going to say no to all of this, but hey, if you want to get adventurous, they've got more than just fudge and Uranus. And over here, they've got Lazy One pajamas. You see these everywhere, in every tourist town and stuff. And I always say I'm going to get some, but I never do. Oh, I probably need that one. A little bit of a crazy cat lady. It says Uranus is styling. Baby Squatch, hide and seek champion. You got Mama Squatch shirts, Papa Squatch shirts. Then over here you can get Squatch feet. So just a little section of some cute little stuff you could get here. Oh, and actually it says Uranus Fudge Factory on the little outfits here on your pajamas. We got Moose Caboose and Bear Cheeks from Uranus. And they do have some Christmas ornaments. And see, I told you it's off of I-69. That's where you'll find Uranus. And we've got toothpick holders, also known as shot glasses. Some mugs here, Uranus Gas and Lube Company. Coffee mugs. Some candle melts, lots of different candles. And then you've got some blueberries and lavender, kettle corn, cranberry cider from Uranus. Oh, and you got stickers. Might have to get a sticker. Guess what? Chicken butt. Got some stuffed aliens on there. They're cute. Then it says eat Uranus fudge. And it's pronounced Uranus, not Uranus. It's funny, my GPS called it Uranus. And some more stickers. So the store goes further back here. And this is where you're going to find all your t-shirts. They have a lot of fun with these. I've seen some of these in Steve's videos, but you got Uranus Trucking Company dropping big loads. Uranus Fire Department. When Uranus is hot, we come real quick. The Uranus Ice Cream Company. One lick of Uranus and you'll go nuts. A lot of tongue-in-cheek here in Uranus. So they have a whole bunch of different t-shirts. Again, similar to the other location. But if you want some silly shirt to remember your time in Uranus, they have it. And they even have the I-69 to Uranus and get a taste of our fudge. And even a zip-up hoodie if you need it. Lots of shirts over here and sweatshirts. Uranus Fudge Packers Union. Proudly packing fudge in Uranus since 2015. Another poster. I think these are funny because they're like the old, like, you know, space posters, but then they say something silly like Probe Uranus. And then some more shirts over here. And they do have bathrooms. Right there. It says P in Uranus. Over here they have little stuffies of Rex, the little guy, the mascot of Uranus. And also Pickles. Then we got Pop. So you can get Pop if you want, if you're thirsty for Uranus. There's always something more to see in Uranus. Oh, look at this trash can. It looks like a popcorn bucket. And they have hats for Uranus US 66, which is where their flagship store is, in Missouri. Then over here they've got some toys, little kitschy things. Got these giant pillows that look like Jolly Ranchers. And this, that's funny. It's got like things in it. But you got some candles. There's so many toys in Uranus. Some little toys over here. Like these little guys you put on your finger. Finger puppets. And then the axolotl. Oh, cool, look at this. They have 100 80s movies bucket list. That's cool. And below that, if you want to grow a dinosaur, you can. And I want to believe. Here's their display. Not yet. I'm going to look around first and decide. Thank you.
If you want a free little lick of Uranus, though, I will get you some.
Oh, thank you. You've got aliens here on the Fudge display, and then they have a lot more than just Fudge. And they will give you a free lick of Uranus. They're very nice here. They even have reduced sugar ones. So I'll have to figure out which one I want to do. And then even up on the ceiling, they have some stuff. Look over here, Uranus Farms. Fresh from Uranus to the table. Mayor of Uranus. They even have a sign up here that says, "Thank you for noticing this new notice. Your noticing has been noticed and will be reported to the proper authorities." Then they've got Uranus Bigfoots. Little poop emoji crochets. Thank you for picking Uranus. And some postcards. So I got my tightly packed fudge in a tight box. You can get this or a loosey-goosey bag, but I picked a tight box, and she said everybody picks a tight box. It's chocolate peanut butter. It's a classic. You can't go wrong with it. Here's some catnip toys. I love my a-hole cat. Think your cat is high. Busted. Those are cute. There you go, $12.99. Get some catnip from Uranus. Also over here is a hillbilly shot glass. Hillbilly desktop calculator. And a hillbilly cell phone. Complaint department. I need that for work. So of course I had to get a magnet.
I know. It's okay.
I'm gonna get this one because it says on historic route 69.
Your fudge packed today?
I had a lot of fun getting my fudge packed.
Good.
Here's the cow getting abducted.
All right. Throwing in a free Uranus examiner for you.
Oh, thank you. All
$31.96.
right. Paper card.
Fun time in Uranus?
I did.
Have you checked out Ice Cream Parlor yet?
I haven't. Where is that at?
Right next to the
Right next
playground.
to that? Okay.
You can go get a quick flick of Uranus before you head out. And I would recommend putt-putt, but it's a little hot.
Yeah.
But you can go sink your balls into our putt holes.
All right. Thanks for picking Uranus. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we checked out, but I'm gonna go explore the side because over here they have putt-putt and they have ice cream. It's very bright and hot out. So let's go over here and see what they got because this goes further back. Here, let me show you. So here's the main building and they were really funny in there and they were super nice. You know, and you're always a little awkward recording. You don't want to record people at their permission. And they were like, "Oh, you can record." Well, actually, another employee volunteered the other person. So I love all the Uranus puns. But here's a dinosaur. And then you have mini golf over here. The Uranus Ice Cream Company. Remember, one lick of Uranus and you'll go nuts. And then a little photo off right here. So you got aliens, you have dinosaurs, you have Rex, the mascot. Oh, we have some zoo animals over here too. So we're a cutout. Let's go check them out. There you go, Uranus wiener. And there's the Uranus Zoological Park. And then you have a little play area. Equipment probably is a little hot today. And then over there is the mini golf that you can go play. I do not have time for that today. And I'd rather have Steve here with me if I'm going to play mini golf. I mean, I shouldn't because he'll just beat me, but we'll do that another time. So let's take you over here to this other little photo op. So Uranus. And there, Anderson, number 2, Indiana. Here's a Sunday sitting out here. Sunday's seen better days. It's like a boat, a little canoe with ice cream. It's fitting because this is ice cream shop. Have fun playing in Uranus. It's like every door, any opportunity to put something, some painting, some poster, something ridiculous they do. They have fun. So the ice cream place has a cute little covered patio, so you can sit outside. They do have these fans on. And then you got this poster here. The Uranus Ice Cream Company. And then off to the side here, you've got this guy here with the dinosaur busting out of the cage and giant ice cream cones. Oh, they go all the way back. And then it looks like it's somebody's house. I wonder if they own this, like the owner or somebody that runs it is here. That's interesting. When you exit, please be careful pulling out of Uranus. And there's our buddy Rex. 2 thumbs up for Uranus. All right, we were here for a good time, not a long time. I am just out in Indiana for work and thought, hey, why don't I stop by here? I didn't get to go with Steve when he went to the one in Richmond. So thought, let's go see what the original Indiana location looked like. So hop back in the car, start heading back to Ohio. But I appreciate you guys sticking with me. It's been fun, my first solo video. Let me know how I did. Let me know if you're gonna check out Uranus. And we appreciate everyone who watches. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 500. That's pretty amazing for our little channel we started. It's doing pretty well. And we're having a lot of fun with it. Check out Steve's video on Uranus. He'll put a link here because, sorry buddy, you're gonna have to edit this for me. Again, thank you guys so much. And remember to stay tuned where we'll answer the question, where to next?